I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask and GANACHE. We'll cover setting up your local blockchain environment, configuring your wallet, and verifying the connection. This setup is crucial for developing and testing decentralized applications efficiently. By the end, you'll be able to seamlessly deploy and interact with your smart contracts locally, making your development workflow much smoother. First, ensure you have GANACHE installed. Once open, click Quick Start to launch a new personal blockchain. GANACHE will automatically generate 10 test accounts, each pre-funded with 100 Ether. Crucially, locate the RPC server URL, which is typically http://127.0.0.1.8545 and the chain ID, usually 1337 or 5777. Also, copy the private keys for the accounts you wish to use. You'll need these for MetaMask. Now open your MetaMask wallet. Click on the network drop-down at the top and select Add Network, then add a network manually. Here, input a network name like GANACHE Local, the RPC URL you noted from GANACHE, and the chain ID, which is commonly 1337 or 5777. For the currency symbol, you can use ETH. After saving, click on your account icon, select Import Account, and paste one of the private keys from GANACHE to add a pre-funded test account. With your GANACHE network added and an account imported, verify the connection. You should see the account's Ether balance, typically 100 Ether, reflected in MetaMask. To further test, try sending a small amount of Ether between two of your imported GANACHE accounts. This confirms MetaMask is successfully interacting with your local blockchain. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.